most of you insisted me to make a video on Dent coin. So here's a short video on what Dent is and it good for you to invest in right now. So Dent coin is a new cryptocurrency that promises to disrupt the mobile data industry in the world. The company Dent coin is called Dent Wireless Limited. The company's goal is to liberate mobile data by allowing anyone to buy, sell, and donate data through the Ethereum blockchain. The Dent coin lies at the corner of this market. It is the universal currency for data makers. This is the goal of the Dent project developers to ensure that in the future they can influence mobile service providers in order to obtain better conditions than they have now. Obviously, mobile has become a valuable necessity over the past few years. It is an important commodity for people in developed and in underdeveloped parts of the world. Through the Dent ecosystems, users can connect to each other on a blockchain based platform to buy, sell, and donate their unused mobile data. ICO start date was 26th July 2017. Price history of the Dent token. The Dent coin was created in July 2017 and also sold in the same year. The Dent project was able to raise about $4.5 million that year as it launched at a good price. At the time, one Dent was valued at 0.0005 cents. Nevertheless, the price of Dent went down by more than 50% in just a week. The history of the Dent coin is not such a great successful one. The highest point experienced in the coin's price was about 0.111 cents and it was achieved in January 2018. However, the value of the Dent coin has been decreasing since June 2019. Currently, Dent has a total supply of $100 billion and a circulating supply of $82 billion. Dent market cap lies at $17 million and the current price of Dent is estimated at 0.000207 cents. Many people who invested in the Dent coin found it to be disappointed back in 2019. This is because even though the Dent price increased from 0.00001 USD at the beginning of 2019 to 0.000164 USD at the end of the year. It, however, calls for checking the algorithm for Dent price prediction to see its chances in the coming years. Based on the current price of 0.00020 cents, Dent price might be around 0.000240 cents by 2021, despite bearish movement and a lack of price variance. In 2022, the Dent price may reach 0.000280 cents, followed by reaching 0.00450 cents by 2015. If some steady bullish movement reappears, Dent might not experience much change through late 2020 into early 2021, but as digital finance attention continues to rise, Dent's price will likely rise with it. Conclusion: based on the price prediction for the future, it could be a great idea to invest now. Now that Dent's price has fatally dropped and the company has started a massive rebranding project in order to project its goal to potential investors, they also have an enticing data sharing plan. It is capable of creating an interface with over 400 mobile users in more than 130 countries all over the world. It is crystal clear that this project will surely increase the price of Dent and make it more profitable for long-term investment. So now, after reading this article, we could say the Dent could be a long-term investment for all those who are looking for A long term investment implies here the minimum period of 5 years and could be 10 years also, because we have seen since 2017 the Dent has not achieved a really good price in the market, not fame as well. But the project is very interesting, and it could also make this Dent go high, but we cannot really say so. So if you're looking for a very long term investment, you can go for Dent, but the prediction is also said as this the price could go down in few months or by the next year. And if you're looking for a very speedy profit, then Dent is just not for you. So taking my advice, do not invest your money in Dent, because I feel this is not worth your money. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, and also like, comment down what you have to say on Dent, and do not forget to share this video with all your people. Thank you.